Namaste everyone, this is Archit from class 5th. Today I am going to present an activity on how we hear. So for this activity you need sellotape, a balloon, scissor, a rubber band, a, a hollow tube and a piece of paper. Let's start. First take this balloon and cut it from this part so that the wide part of it remains. It will be something like this. Now attach this to the one mouth of the cylinder like this. Now take this rubber band and tie it all around it so to secure it. Like this. Now take your piece of paper and cut a strip of it like this and fold it along in two halves. Now place it like this and take some sellotape and attach it. It will be something like this. Now it's time to test. Hello, 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 hello. You can see that this is vibrating. Now the conclusion is when the voice travels through it, the eardrums vibrate, and because of the eardrums vibrate, the two bones also vibrates and the nerve sends signal to the brain, and the brain recognize that which person is speaking to what and which thing is he speaking. Thank you everyone.